are back again. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 5, Lesson 7. I am Mr. Short. Today we have page 31 and page 32. Let's look at page 31. It says Kevin has $85. Well, isn't that nice for Kevin? Jack has three $20 bills, five $5 bills, seven $1 bills, and 2 quarters and 5 dimes. Who has more money? Well, we know Kevin has 85. We need to figure out how much Jack has. So let's just put, we have three $20 bills. So write 20 3 times. He has five $5 bills. Well, we could put 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 $1 bills. All right. Now, oops, I'm sorry. There's the 5 we put there. 7 $1 bills. But remember, if it's 7 $1 bills, it's just $7. I just dropped my pencil. All right. I'm going to have to zoom out a little bit for this one. This one's getting a little long on us. So, and after that, we have 2 quarters and 5 dimes. But let's find out our money first. This is our cash, right? This is the paper money that we get. So, 0, 0, 0. 5 and 5 is 10. 10 and 5 is 15. 15 and 5 is 20. 20 and 5 is 25. Goes to 25 and 7. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So 2 here, 3 here. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So we have 9. Then we have 2 quarters and 5 dimes. So we're say we're at $92 right now, plus 2 quarters. Right, a quarter is 25 cents, and 5 dimes. 5 dimes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, you got to put that dot there, showing that you're showing change. Okay. So 5 plus 5, and then all the way down, that's 0. Bring that 1 back up. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Ooh, so put that one here. Carry that 1 back up there. And now we have 1 plus 2 is 3, and 9 plus nothing is 9. We could have done this a little easier over here if we wanted, because we had the 320s, which is fine. But we had 5 $5 bills. We could have just said 5 times 5. We could have put 25 right here and just made it a little bit quicker for us, right? But that's not that big of a deal. So looking back, so now Kevin has... right? Kevin has $85. Jack has $93. So, right. It says who has more money. You say Kevin has 85, Jack has 93, so Jack has more money. Write that down however you want. Just make sure you write something kind of like what I said so that your teacher knows you didn't just copy this down from a video that you're watching right now. All right, on the Beth. On the back. I said on the Beth because I read Beth. Beth is 137 centimeters tall. Jill is 133 centimeters tall. What is the height difference? All right. What is the difference in height? Show the difference in height 2 ways. 2 ways. So I'll show you one way. All right. Solve that one, and then you got to find another way to solve over here. I'm not doing that one for you. All right, guys, that's it for me. If you haven't done it yet, hit that like and subscribe button. I got one of my students is pulled ahead of me in subscribers. I'm trying to beat him. I'm also trying to get to 250. We're at 211. We're almost there. Have a good night.